I honestly don't know how Ole does this, guys. Really, I don't know. It's like out of nowhere he pulls a win out of the bag. Today, honestly, not our best performance. 3 points, yes, I will take that. I am super fucking happy we won. Even though it makes zero bloody difference, I will take it. City are now what? 20 points, 11. I don't know how many points they are clear, but it's pretty obvious that they are going to win it. Okay, I don't think we have any remotely even a statistically close chance of winning the Premier League. Okay, that's out of the question. You need consistency, and we lacked it when it mattered the most. Okay, Pogba was injured, and then on our form bloody dipped. We started getting nonsensical draws. That loss against Sheffield happened, and our full season went off track. So I'm not going to get into that. About today's game, our lineup, I was happy with it because arguably this was our best lineup because of, when we were top of the table, I don't know when was that, a couple of months ago or something. That time we were playing this lineup and we had some success with it. Okay, Lindelof was not in that lineup, but I'll get into him later. But other than that, I expected this lineup to perform. Because these players are good. I feel this lineup was really good, and this arguably, like I said, it's one of our strongest lineup. Okay, I don't see how we could improve on it. Bailly is made of glass, so we can't risk him also. If you put him for one game, 3 weeks he'll be out. But unfortunately, as in United fashion, this lineup did not perform. Okay, first half, complete and utter disaster. Okay, fucking disaster this was. Danny Welbeck, why were we giving him a guard of honor or something? What shitty defending was that for that goal? Huh? Lindelof, what were you doing? He was your man. Who are you? Only know how to headbutt thieves when grandma's purses are getting stolen. When the ball is coming, you can't defend that. Headbutt grandma's thieves. That's all you can do. Become a senior citizen protector. Don't play for the badge. Huh? Don't play for Manchester United. Go, get lost. Go and go and enlist in the police academy. Because that's all you can do. Catch thieves who are stealing 89-year-olds' purses. One defending you can't do properly. And they call you the Swedish Iceman. What? Where's your bloody ice? It's melted. It's become bloody water, liquid you are. And you're starting to evaporate now. Not just Lindelof, entire team was complete shit today. In the first half. Especially in the first half. Aaron Wan-Bissaka, he can't cross. Okay? Defensive, he's one of the best right backs in the world. In my opinion, okay? I don't care what you say. In defense-wise, Aaron Wan-Bissaka is number one. But when it comes to attacking and, actually playing like a wing back, where he goes, I don't understand. His crosses are just to the keeper. Or sometimes they don't even reach the keeper. It's just like directly to the centre backs. So he needs to improve on that. Luke Shaw is much better as compared to Aaron Wan-Bissaka on the left flank. Really, his crosses and all, everything is on top. Defense also he handles, attacking also he handles. So Wan-Bissaka needs to improve because some of the other times he causes errors and it costs us the important games and points. Midfield also, Fred and Pogba, I don't know what they were doing in the first half. Both of them are clueless. One is playing on this side, one is playing on that side. Pogba is doing whatever the fuck he wants. Fred is becoming a second centre back. I don't know what was going on. And that was the entire case for the first half. Defense and midfield. I feel the attack was okay because without the midfield working properly, you can't expect the attack to score 10 goals, do you? So really, it's these starts that causes the games. Always we start on the back foot. Why? It has been shown through our statistics and through our previous games. Look at City. We got an early lead. We got a counter attack in. We got 2 goals. Aram se the game went. When we start bloody early and we play good in the first minute, from the first minute itself, we play good for the remaining minutes. Here, we just come, hit one more, then we'll see whatever we want. That's our attitude. It shouldn't be that way. This Maguire, Lindelof, every first half I've seen them, They're just taking the ball, looking around who to pass to. This is what's called Ole ball. Just give it to the centre back, see what they do. Or give it to Bruno, see what he does. Nonsense, really nonsense. Now the second half, at least, there were some positives. Okay, there were really good some positives. We started good. We started creating more chances. We started breaking down their defense. We got an awesome goal through Bruno Fernandes and Rashford linking up. Beauty of a goal. That's how synergy should be. That's how coordinated play should be. Okay, and we defended also really well. Some of their threats we defended really well, I thought. Pogba was playing good. He got second goal. The second goal, Greenwood's fantastic of a header. Really, that's how we should be playing. Always start on the front foot. Second half, I don't think they expected. Graham Potter must be like, oh, they won't do anything. But we did something. That's what I'm proud of. We shouldn't, my main issue is that we shouldn't be waiting for the second half or for the last 10 minutes to show up. That's our main problem. Just because it worked against Brighton doesn't mean it's going to work against some other big teams. We are against Granada next. So I don't know. First leg we might get a draw and then we have to pressurize ourselves during the second leg. So I really hope Ole does something and pulls a win out of the bag. Because I don't know how, but he manages to do this shit. Some or the other way he gets a win when we least expect it to. So let's see. I have doubts, but United is United. We have surprised big teams before also. But we'll see. Okay, I'm really happy the way we played in the second half. First half, terrible. Second half, much fucking better. Much fucking better. Man of the match, I would say maybe Rashford. He's played good, but he got injured, so I hope he's okay as well. Greenwood played really well. Maybe Greenwood would be the joint man of the match. So we'll see. Not our best performance, but it's 3 points. Okay, we showed up in the second half, so that's what matters.